हमने जब यात्रा शुरू की उस समय में कैसे होगा, कितना होगा, बच्चे एडमिशन आएगा कि नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि हमारा स्कूल अलग था। कलकत्ते में जो बाकी स्कूल चलते हैं उनसे अलग स्कूल हम बनाने की कल्पना कर रहे थे। तो एक मन में ये था कि भाई किस तरह से बच्चों का एडमिशन होगा कि नहीं। और आज देखिए बच्चे सोचते हैं, पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि हमारा हेरिटेज में एडमिशन हो जाए और वो तरह तरह के सोर्स लगाते हैं। तो ये भगवान की कृपा है। आज 25 साल हुए और ये तो एक शुरुआत है। पता नहीं भगवान की क्या मर्जी है। हो सकता है कि आगे आने वाले समय में आज जो 10,000 11,000 बच्चे हैं वो हज़ारों में नहीं लाखों में हो जाए और हमारी हेरिटेज की एक ब्रांच ही क्यों, ऐसी ऐसी हम चेन बनाएं और देश का काम करें, देश के लिए अच्छे नागरिक को बनाने में हम सहयोग करें।
देखिए आज जो इस जगह हम खड़े हैं 25 जून 2001 को ही वी स्टार्टेड एंड इस समय जो उस दिन माहौल था इतना बड़ा कुछ सोचा नहीं कि एक छोटे से बच्चे का स्कूल डे बोर्डिंग स्कूल की कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन हुई और उसके बाद चलते गए आज 11,000 बच्चे हो गए, इतने सारे इंस्टीट्यूट हो गए। अभी तो मेरे को लगता है ये 25 साल का एक फेज़ है, अभी कई फेज़ बाकी है।
Somehow these years have flown by and I still feel that I'm too new to this school at times, and sometimes I feel I've only been here all my life. And as the teachers say, as everybody else says, yes, we've learnt more than we taught, because I wasn't like this when I'd come here. The school management, you come to a school and you find that these people are not just interested in anything but making the school the best in the country or maybe across the world. So that was something which has been my vision, because they transferred their vision to me.
To give you a little bit of context, the day this auditorium was inaugurated, a similar Havan was there, and I was a part of that. And back then I was in class 5. And today I've had this opportunity to be back here at the completion of 25 years of the institution. And it just feels surreal. It feels amazing. The kind of connect that we have with our school, even right now, I think it just goes to show that all of us from different parts of the country, different parts of the world even, people have just come down here just to celebrate the silver jubilee of the institution, and I think that just goes on to say everything that needs to be said.
It's a distinct privilege to stand before you today. We are here to celebrate a remarkable milestone. The Heritage Group of Institutions has completed 25 years of educational excellence. A silver jubilee is a milestone occasion for any institution. It represents a quarter century of nurturing minds, building characters, and shaping the future of our nation. Over these 25 years, Heritage has grown from a visionary idea into a massive ecosystem of learning and character building. The Heritage Group has consistently maintained high academic standards while fostering holistic development. I convey my heartfelt regards and gratitude for making Department of Post a part of this Silver Jubilee celebration of Heritage Group of Institutions through the release of special postal cover and signature. Postage stamps are window to the world. It goes without saying that any stamp is more than just a postage stamp. It represents culture, tradition, heritage, history, flora and fauna of a nation. By releasing this cover, Government of India through Department of Post officially archives the legacy of the Heritage Group of Institutions into the philatelic history of our country.